cool the room, hot air is pulled in through the rear vents, cooled, and released into the room. To dehumidify, the appliance draws moisture from the air and dry air is released. The fan facilitates air freshening and cooling on hot days. For units with a heat pump, cool air is pulled in through the rear vents, warmed, and released into the room to take the chill out of cool mornings and evenings.
Heat, dry air, and allergens? Not in this house. AC that's hassle-free to set up, plug in, and with a on Amazon today.
conditioners offer 3-in-1 functionality for exceptional comfort every day. Available in a wide range of cooling capacities, the units are easy to operate and install and are remote controlled. The clever design means you never have to drain excess water, while auto louvers distribute air evenly for comfortable temperatures throughout the room. GE Air Conditioners, comfort you can rely on.
When the weather is hot, you need an efficient way to stay cool. SereneLife's portable air conditioners are your solution to staying comfortable when outside temperatures rise. A sleek, modern design is packed with an efficient cooling system that can go anywhere around the house, at the office, or even out in the garage. With remote control access, you can quickly and easily shift through modes of cooling, fan, and dehumidifier. Select your desired temperature without interrupting your relaxation. Smooth rolling caster wheels allow for easy transport between rooms, so you can bring comfort to any area of the house. Simply roll to your desired location, easily install the windowsill, attach the flexible vent hose, and feel the cool breeze quietly generated just for you. Save energy by cooling only the spaces you need. Everyone knows cooler temperatures help you rest better, and with SereneLife's portable AC, you no longer have to cool your entire home to get optimal sleep. With their super quiet operation and built-in swing vent function, you can enjoy a nice cool breeze all night long or while you're at work without any disturbing noises. The dehumidifier mode allows you to control moisture levels as well, making your air feel fresher by reducing the occurrence of allergens like dust mites and mildew. A built-in 24-hour timer allows you to set cooling times to your schedule. Everything you want in one space-saving unit. Make your spaces comfortable again with a portable air conditioner by SereneLife.
Introducing the Portacool 510 Portable Evaporative Cooler, the new industry standard for powerful, practical cooling for compact places. That means it's ready for anything, from preparing for youth athletic events, packing for the family camping trip, relaxing in your backyard oasis, setting up on restaurant patios, or open-air work areas. They all benefit from the powerful cooling of the 510. That versatility comes from a variety of features tailored specifically to usability, portability, and performance. Sturdy, rubberized wheels allow for quiet movement, and oscillating louvers ensure robust control and coverage. A manual fill door eliminates the hassle of hose connections, which restrict flexibility. And Cool Control Microtech evaporative media boost performance. Finally, there's no assembly required. The 510 is ready to hit the ground running and bring powerful cooling wherever you need it. The 510 features 2 speeds, a velocity of 14 miles per hour, a weight of just 35 pounds, and a cooling capacity of 300 square feet. The 115-volt Portacool 510 Portable Evaporative Cooler is your premier choice for compact cooling. To learn more, contact Portacool today.